Custom GNU/Linux distributions represent one of the main advantages of free software, as they allow users to adapt an operating system to specific needs by selecting and modifying its components. In this sense, a distribution integrates the Linux kernel along with various software packages that provide functionalities such as graphical interfaces, system tools, and additional applications. Likewise, there are multiple base distributions, such as those geared towards advanced users or business environments, which have given rise to numerous derivative variants. Furthermore, this flexibility has allowed educational, business, and technological sectors to have systems adapted to their own requirements, demonstrating the versatility and customization capabilities of the GNU/Linux environment. Consequently, creating custom distributions involves processes such as package generation, system modification, and building installable images. On the other hand, specialized tools allow users to adjust aspects such as the included programs, the desktop environment, and default configurations, facilitating the implementation of specific solutions. Additionally, this approach optimizes configuration time and ensures consistency across multiple installations. Therefore, customized GNU/Linux distributions constitute an efficient and adaptable solution, which takes advantage of the benefits of free software to respond to specific needs in different technological contexts.